So, YouTube people, yeah. No, really, I just wanted to show y'all how gangster I was. You know that I'm a Gangster song? Yeah, I memorized that in my noggin. My noggin. Alright, see, here's how it goes. I'm a gangster. I'm a straight up G. The gangster life is the life for me. Shooting people by day, selling drugs by night. Being a gangster is hella tight. I walk around town with a stark erection and gave your mom that yeast infection. I saw the policeman and I punched him in the eye to serve and protect. What a lie. I also don't like white people. You shouldn't too. And don't get me started about the Jews. I'm a gangster. Grr, I'm mad. I'm a gangster. My rhymes are bad. I'm a gangster. I'm assed out like a freezer. I'm a gangster. Bitch, suck on my wiener. I'm a gangster. Just kidding, y'all. But for real, hit me up sometime. Tell me what's good with you, bruh. Peace. Deuces.